Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Monitoring and Logging AI Models. Keeping an eye on your smart creations. What are AI models? They're like smart assistants or specialized software programs you've built to do specific tasks, like recognizing faces or recommending movies. But just like any new employee or a complex machine, you can't just set them loose and forget about them. You need to make sure they're doing their job right, not breaking down, and improving over time. That's where monitoring and logging comes in. It's how you stay in control of your AI and ensure it continues to be smart and useful. Imagine your AI model is a chef in a new restaurant. Logging is like asking the chef to keep a detailed diary of everything they do. Received order for pasta at 7:05 p.m. Used 200 grams of spaghetti. Customer liked the dish. Oops. Burnt the garlic at 7:20 p.m. As a developer, logging means recording detailed messages about your AI model's internal operations. Inputs it received, outputs it produced, and any errors that happened. It's crucial for understanding why your AI made a certain decision or what went wrong when it failed. Think of it as advanced backquote print. Backquote statements that are saved persistently and are very structured. If logging is the diary, monitoring is the chef's health dashboard displayed in the kitchen. It shows real-time graphs and numbers. Orders per hour. 30 dishes returned. 2 average cooking time. 15 minutes. Monitoring is about observing your AI model's overall performance and health using specific metrics over time. As a developer, you'll set up tools to constantly collect data about your AI, display it on dashboards, and alert you if something looks off. It helps you see trends, spot problems before they become critical, and ensure your AI is consistently delivering good results. When you're asking your AI to keep a diary, what specific entries are most useful? As a developer, you'll want to record input data. What did your AI see or receive? E.g., the exact text of a user query, the image it analyzed. Output data. What was the AI's prediction or action? E.g., the recommended product, the classified sentiment. Timestamps. When did everything happen? Crucial for sequencing events. Model version. Which version of your AI model handled this request? Important if you update your models. Errors, warnings. Any problems encountered, e.g., failed to process image, database connection lost. Internal decisions. Optional. Sometimes. Logging key steps in the AI's internal thought process can be invaluable for debugging. Logging these structured pieces of information helps you trace back issues and understand behavior deeply. This is about the key numbers and trends you want on your dashboard to gauge your AI's health. Performance metrics. How well is your AI doing its job? Examples include accuracy. How often is it right? Latency. How fast does it respond? And throughput. How many requests can it handle per second? Resource usage. Is your AI hogging all the computer power? Monitor CPU usage, memory usage, and GPU usage, if applicable, to ensure it's running efficiently and not crashing other systems. Data drift. Is the kind of data your AI is seeing in the real world starting to change from what it was trained on? If customers suddenly start using new slang, your AI might get confused. Model drift. Is your AI model's actual performance degrading over time, even with consistent data? Like a chef whose skills are slowly getting rusty. Monitoring these helps you proactively maintain your AI's effectiveness. As a developer, how do you actually implement this in your code and infrastructure? For logging, standard libraries. Most programming languages, like Python's logging module, have built-in logging tools. Structured logging, asterisk instead of just plain text. Log data as JSON. This makes it much easier for computers to read and analyze later. Log aggregation, asterisk tools like Elasticstack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, or cloud services like AWS CloudWatch collect logs from many sources into one central place for searching and visualization. For monitoring, metrics libraries, asterisk libraries that help you expose performance data from your AI application. Monitoring systems, asterisk tools like Prometheus collect these metrics, while Grafana helps you build beautiful dashboards to visualize them. Alerting systems, asterisk integrate with tools like PagerDuty or Slack to get notified immediately when a critical metric crosses a threshold, e.g., accuracy dropped below 80%. Single quote. Why go through all this trouble? Monitoring and logging are not just nice-to-haves. They are fundamental practices for any developer deploying real-world AI applications. Catch problems early, asterisk like a car's check engine light. Monitoring warns you before a small issue becomes a big breakdown. Improve your AI. Asterisk logs provide invaluable data for debugging and understanding why your AI made certain mistakes, helping you refine and retrain it for better performance. Build trust. Asterisk if your AI is reliable and consistent, users will trust it more. Compliance and accountability. Asterisk in some industries, you might need to prove your AI is fair or working as expected. And logs provide that audit trail. Cost efficiency, asterisk identifying resource hogs or inefficient models through monitoring can save you money. In essence, they ensure your smart creations stay smart and dependable. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.